Hey guys, I'm back, and I recently done had dinner. So what we had for dinner was we had some pasta. I tried to move along, and I moved too much, and I moved too much again. Wow, let's. Oh, I was close. Really was close. I mean, it's not as bad as XMC was, but XMC was very, very bad. Oh! I was really close at that. Oh, I can do this. Okay, okay, got it. Got the bunches. And there we go, we finished with the stage. That was pretty good. Next stage we're gonna do here is the Sega logo, which the game was just created by, of course, Sega. And I did paperwork, but I decided not to upload that. But since my dad told me, he opened the door and he told me that it's time to have dinner, so I figured I decided not to upload the paperwork stage. But anyways, here we go. Here's the Sega logo. It may be tough, but I think I can do this there. I can do this here. I'll be honest, I can do this. I knew it was terrible from the beginning. Wow. I should know that anything can happen in the stage. Like, anything can happen in here. I see the goal from behind, and it's good. Okay, now we're moving on to the next stage. We're gonna do Snake here. Yep, this is the one that I'm gonna do next. Okay, that was bull. I'm not kidding. It really was bull. I knew it was even bad from the beginning. Third time's a charm. It's what I always say, and it's been declined. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Of course, this video is requested by Beach5, as he asked me to do this. There we go. So I was finally able to get past this stage, finally. I feel like the next stage I should do is, wood. There it is. I'm gonna get the bananas. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Aw, 9, but I fell out of it. Don't worry, I can do this though. I can do this. Let's try this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I almost fell. 9, 10. Oh, I got 10. After the stage, I'm gonna stop here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I feel like this stage is like kind of boring sometimes. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now let's get to the goal safely. 9, 8, 7. There we go. Wow, I even counted the bananas on the stage. Was that pretty cool? Tell me in the comments if that's cool that I counted the bananas. Yeah, I'm gonna do one more stage, I guess. I'll do one more stage. The last stage I'm doing this part is sliders. Actually, no, I'm gonna stop here. See you guys in pod 19.